Next we have Mr. Budram, who will be talking about Minishift, an easy way to open Shift. And
am I audible? Yeah, great. So Minishift, I don't want to count who else like heard Minikube or Kubernetes. I want to do a head count of how many of you know OpenShift? Okay, good. Anyway, so who am I? My name is Gurung. I work at Red Hat. You can join me on Twitter, GitHub, or IRC. What is Minishift? It's a CLI tool. Basically, it gives you a single node OpenShift cluster in your own laptop, and it's optimized for the developer workflows. Just about a few introduction of OpenShift origin. It's basically it's mainly a Kubernetes enterprise-ready Kubernetes in a short definition. Few value addition that OpenShift add to Kubernetes. It's give you nice user experience. It has a web UI console, and it has other like CI/CD inbuilt. It's community-driven as well. Few other contributions from Red Hat or OpenShift side to Kubernetes. You can see like namespace, routing, and other things, bunch of things. Why Minishift? It's a single binary, and it get you easy like single node cluster for your OpenShift setup. Few components of Minishift. It has binary. Then there are other bunch of ISOs and one Minishift add-ons. I will talk about that and quickly jump into demo. I have okay. So just to show you, I did a Minishift start with my cached ISO, and it took around like 6 minutes to get a single node OpenShift cluster in your own laptop. So let's check the Minishift version. I'm using latest version running. So basically I want to, so the basic development workflow is like you create a project. It's like a namespace. When you do that, you go into that namespace, and I will just quickly run the demo app. And if you see, it will basically run within few minutes. Besides that, the console I'm talking about is this. It's a nice UI console, and that's the project I just created. And it's deploying. I did the deployment through CLI. I can do the same with the UI as well. And I can see the logs, what's happening in that log. So you can see I basically took the repo from GitHub, and it just see, you can see that it basically cloned the repo. And it's a Node.js application, so it did the npm install, and it just pushed the application-based image into the Docker registry, which is inside the OpenShift container. And after doing that, you need to basically expose. So expose, it's the same service. Expose the service is the same term from Kubernetes. I did that, and once I do that, I need to open that service. Just a second. No, it's the same. So once that, you can see that I can open that application in my browser. So other things, you can jump into the documentation. It's hosted in OpenShift org. It's a very nice written documentation. And the other thing is add-ons. The add-ons are basically some customization you want to add on your basic setup, like you want to add your cockpit, Grafana, Helm, Prometheus. You want to add on top of your Kubernetes setup to try on. This is the community we hang out on IRC, Minishift. You have many links, and we have repo as well. Just try Minishift with issues, pull request. These are the resources. Yeah, thank you.